Just to put things in perspective, even for me it's kind of hard because the hull is upside down right now, right? This is already pretty impressive, right? I mean, look at the height. The keel is right there, right? The bottom part of the boat. This is only the main deck. But on the bow part, like I explained, that's not the freeboard. The freeboard stops on the upper deck, at least in the bow part of the vessel. So the superstructure starting here and continue on almost the same height one more time right here, and that will be the entire freeboard at the bow part of this boat. Crazy. I mean, it's like crazy. So the superstructure will be started right here in front of the hull, and then once the superstructure is completed and the hull welds are completed, both is going to get taken out of this shed. Both gets joined together, and then we have the full vessel for the very first time. We can actually see it and be able to walk on it. And guys, I really remember when we were at this stage and we couldn't wait for the boat, I mean for the hull to be turned, and for the first time to actually walk on it, to actually go and experience the spaces. Because right now it's kind of abstract, it's upside down. But yeah, I mean, I can totally, my memory is coming back, my feelings are coming back, so I really, let's go.